Let's meet the all-new AI buddies in Delightex Edu, your new way of making the characters in your scene come alive. Open the inspector and activate AI Buddy. Get creative by writing a prompt for your buddy. Animate AI Buddy gives your AI buddy the options to use one of the built-in animations during your conversation. Watch out for the next tutorial to learn more. You can also define an interaction distance that lets your AI buddy greet you as soon as you are stepping into the radius. Do you want to meet Einstein and have him tell you interesting facts about physics? Buddies are not limited to characters. Anything can be an AI buddy. You always wanted to hear the thoughts of your washing machine about poetry? Don't hold back. Be creative. Prompt your world to life in Delightex Edu.